Good afternoon, everybody. Crypto Strang here. This afternoon, we're going to talk about Gochain. Mentioned it briefly before. Never really followed the project before until I've really gone in depth with ECOMI, OMI, that wonderful NFT token we talk about a lot on here. Now, Gochain is the provider to ECOMI for their project, for their token. So we're looking into Gochain. Project's been around a long while. It's actually its all-time high was 11 cents back in July 2018. So it survived the massive bear market. And its all-time low was actually last March, like many projects, when we had that massive dump because of the markets and COVID and everything else. It was 0.003. It's on some great exchanges, so it's been around a long while, hence probably that's the reason. But it's on Binance, KU Coin, Bittrex, Bilaxy, Gate. So it's on some great exchanges. Still ranked only 507. Market cap over 60 million. The volume in the last 24 hours trading is up 34%. But I like the supply. The majority of it is out there. Nearly all of it's out there. So that is obviously always great to see. Now, it does really seem to be developing. I say it's been around a long while, so it's obviously taken a while to get going, like many projects. But get on their website, it gives so much information, gochain.io. I'll put the links below. It states there a brief introduction to Gochain. And it states Gochain is a blockchain first company. Everything blockchain is our lifeblood. And this is the company's complete and total focus. So you can see how they go through. And what they state there, we believe in driving the adoption of impactful technology for the betterment of society and our habitat. And what they've stated here is, where obviously it's built on Ethereum as well, network, but it's very slow, but Gochain partners with companies in all industries to quickly launch and manage their own scalable, low-cost blockchain solutions, run distributed applications, and to deploy smart contracts at 1,300 transactions per second. So basically, if you want a project, you want to get going, you approach Gochain, they help you get started up with your blockchain to get your smart contract, help you any way it can. But it also goes with many others. You know, you scroll through, there's so much information. It states there, Gochain is a standalone blockchain. It's a next generation smart contract platform. It's built upon the improved Ethereum code base that solves their scaling problem with immediacy. Right now, Ethereum can only process 13 transactions per second. That's how bad Ethereum is. And we all know about the gas fees, how slow it is. Talked about many times waiting for Ethereum 2.0. But it states there is many, it states there obviously here, there are other players coming to space, many other smart contract providers. What they're saying is their public network has shown in excess of 1,300 transactions per second, ongoing with stability. It's been running as high as 2,400 transactions per second. So it states, he all talks about Vitalik Buterin, obviously the founder of Ethereum, has labelled scalability a trilemma where all three problems need to be solved simultaneously. So you go through it, and it goes on many things, and what is Gochain for? It goes for all of it, everything about it. How does Gochain work? You know, we're doing this by changing the consensus algorithm from proof of work to proof of reputation, POR. And it's just many parts. So if you want to get started, you approach Gochain, and it's just everything in one, basically. So I like the project. I say it's been around a long while, so it's obviously done very well to still be going and still developing. And when you scroll through and you see the partnerships again, it's another one to certainly keep on your radar. So you go through, and it states there, go for their blockchain, Gochain 101, why Gochain? Learn, you've got a link there, basically learn what makes Gochain unique as a company, the blockchain protocol, you learn about their mission, what is proof of reputation, and what is Go. So it's got here for business leaders, all the different sections that they offer. Explore retail and consumer product solutions, build a solution with us, request an expert workshop, discover all of our solutions, join our governing council, so much. Technical leaders, it's got individual store assets in a digital wallet, purchase Go tokens, issue a digital token on Gochain. See, everything you ever want is here. And it's even got, they even do their own sort of block explore, and you can see all the transactions currently going on their block space. You can see there the amount of fees that have been burned, circulating 54 million locked. Quite a bit transactions. You can see the last 7 days, 130,476. So you can see all the different ones going on. It's a constantly live developing blockchain with a constantly live. It's not reproduced or anything like that. It's actually genuine. Their Medium page is very good. Fins attached leveraging blockchain technology, NFTs for ocean conservation, shark research. So it all goes through everything, what Gochain are doing, and talks about the NFTs. Now, obviously, I know about this project purely because of, you know, OMI. I'm really bullish on this project in the next few months. There's so much going on, and they're, you know, that's what basically OMI selected was Gochain to help them to get started and to use their whole blockchain. So you go in there, you scroll through, their Medium page is full of information, and it states there, this was a really interesting article, how to create and deploy an NFT smart contract in 10 minutes. That's how easy it is. So it scrolls through, It does. It's true. What this article does say is NFTs are all the rage right now, as we've said many times. And as a developer, you might be wondering how you can create your own NFTs. This article explains how to do it in the simplest way possible, so you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Now that is incredible to see. This sort of development of NFTs takes it to the next level, where people can actually develop their own NFTs. It's a really interesting side to it. Again, I can see Gochain with so much going on within their project. Another part of their section is building blockchain solutions, a team sport, and it goes through building your own solution on one of our networks. Gochain is committed to providing business and technical teams with clear documentation, customer support channels, and consulting resources. Co-create a custom solution with our experts. Launch now using one of our Gochain's existing solutions. All this different part of it. It states they're looking for an out-of-box solution, but when you look at sort of blockchain private solutions, they've developed industries such as freight and logistics, compliance, energy, retail, consumer goods. It's like an all-in-one. So much going on within Gochain. I think it's going to be, again, like we speak about many projects, going to be a massive year from when this bull market, how they develop and how they rise with the chart. It's all about the partnerships as well. And it states there why partner with them. And obviously gives all the reasons. But this is the thing that we can put basically on the right path by asking these questions ready to get started. Get started with Gochain, Explorer, etc. But you can always see here, built on Gochain. Transparency, GoSwap Exchange. And there you go, Viva Digital Collectibles, NFTs, that is OMI, okay? Chain swaps. So they're getting some partnerships, obviously need to get a lot more, that's obvious. They'll probably appreciate that as well. But with NFTs, now they've built OMI and been a success of that, other NFT tokens might as well go with Gochain. If they're proving they can do it, then why not? Because they make it easy for you. Might be easy as well if you've got an NFT marketplace, use Gochain as your token. It's all stuff that people are going to look into. When they see the success of OMI, they'll see that Gochain's behind OMI, and who knows if others will follow. So I always look at the team, big team, all the different parts of it. You see there, Travis Reed is the founder of the Gochain Foundation, based in America. Many good leaders on it, so it's always good to see. Now, this last bit was basically, where do you want to store your Go tokens? Obviously, you've got the exchange. I spoke many times before, it's entirely up to you if you're holding exchanges or wallets, for example. I personally will be getting this wallet, but I'm quite happy on Binance personally myself. But I'm happy with all these exchanges on. I'm very happy with Bilaxy, KuCoin, and Bittrex. And Gate's good as well, in my opinion. Okay, so the Go tokens fuel the Gochain network. So it states there everything you've got. Look at the fees. Said 100,000 transactions on the Gochain blockchain for less than $1. Gochain is a leading transaction fee due to its proof of reputation consensus. 3 to 5 second confirmation time. Purchase and store your Go tokens. There you go. Store on a digital wallet. Purchase Go on exchange. So they give you both the options. And it states what is Go used for. Transaction fees protect the network. How do I purchase Go? And you can see the exchanges there as we already talked about. It talks about the wallets and storage. So Gochain is built on the following wallets. So you can go through it. Obviously, you've got spoken about many times about Ledger and Trezor. So great to see. Also on MyEther wallet, on Trust wallet, and the actual Gochain web wallet. So there's many ways. You've also got the ECOMI as well. That's what we talked about many times, is the ECOMI secure wallet for the OMI. So just want to give a quick overview on Gochain. I think it's, again, certainly a low cap gem. Got a lot of potential. We'll see how it develops. Me personally, I've never looked into this before, as I say, before I got the OMI tokens and realised what was behind it. So I think Gochain has a huge potential this year. Could have a massive growth. It's not financial advice. Time will tell. As usual, we'll revisit this in 2 to 3 months, see how they're developing. Hopefully they've got some more partnerships and hopefully reflecting the price. So I'll say go back to the price, 5.5 cents. Volume's good. Majority supplies out there, very good. Market cap, just over 60 million. So still obviously a big amount, but not huge. It's still got a lot of growth potential in it. It's ranked 507. So we'll see. Let's see how this develops. So thanks everybody. As usual, email me, info@cryptostrang.com. All my other social media links below. Reach out to me on Telegram, Instagram, wherever. Here to help anywhere I can. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.